In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your email address on LinkedIn. Let's get started by first heading over to LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in, which you can do in a few ways. You can sign in using Google or Microsoft if that's more convenient for you. Otherwise, just use your email address and password. This step should be familiar if you already have an account, but it's essential for starting any adjustments to your settings. Now, if you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. They'll send a code to your phone number. Simply enter that code to proceed. This extra layer of security is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized access. So, ensure that your contact details are up to date for a seamless login experience. Once logged in, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there, which acts as a gateway to your account settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This area is essentially the control center for all your account information and privacy options, so it's wise to get familiar with it. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a sidebar boasting various options. Click on Visibility. This section allows you to control who can see what on your LinkedIn profile. By navigating here, you can effectively manage your online presence. Next, delve into the area labeled Visibility of your profile and network. This is where you can fine-tune how your information is shared with others on LinkedIn. It's a good idea to check here regularly to ensure your settings align with your current professional goals or privacy needs. Now, locate the option labeled Profile Discovery through email address. Clicking on this will provide you with options regarding how other users on LinkedIn can find you using your email address. It's an important step in managing who can connect with you directly. Think of it as a digital barrier against unwanted outreach. Here, you'll notice a selection of options such as Only Visible to Me, First-Degree Connections, First and Second-Degree Connections, and others. Choose the option that suits your privacy needs best. For the highest level of email privacy, you might want to select Only Visible to Me. Once you've made your choice, you don't need to worry about clicking a Save button. LinkedIn automatically saves these changes for you. This convenience allows you to make updates quickly without the extra step of manual saving. With these adjustments, your email address is now shielded according to your preferences, greatly enhancing your personal privacy on LinkedIn. And there you have it. A few simple steps to securing your email privacy, leaving you to confidently network without concerns over unwanted contact or privacy breaches. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips.